Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to install drivers on your computer. If you're having trouble with your computer recognizing devices or peripherals, it could be because you don't have the necessary drivers installed. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install drivers using a program called Driver Booster. First, you'll need to download and install Driver Booster onto your computer. You can find the download link in the description below. Once it's installed, open the program and click on the Scan button. Driver Booster will scan your computer for missing or outdated drivers. Once the scan is complete, you'll be presented with a list of drivers that need to be updated or installed. You can select all of the drivers and click Update to install them all at once, or you can select individual drivers to install. After you've selected the drivers you want to install, click on the Update Now button. Driver Booster will begin downloading and installing the selected drivers. This may take a few minutes depending on the number of drivers you're installing. Once the drivers have been installed, you'll be prompted to restart your computer. Go ahead and do so to complete the installation process. And that's it. You've successfully installed the necessary drivers on your computer using Driver Booster. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Please note that all of the steps mentioned are available in the video. We highly encourage you to watch the video until the end to make sure you don't miss any important details. By doing so, you will have a complete understanding of the process and be able to follow along easily.